Let's take a look at this 1931 Ford Model A 5-window coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. If you take a peek towards the back, rumble seat car. Always fun for parades and local cruise-ins. All right, underneath the hood, L-head inline 4-cylinder. To be exact, 200.5 cubic inches, but I believe they pretty much went by 201. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. This is an all-steel car, just so you know, fenders, body. Running boards. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Of course, the radiator surround. Headlight bezels. Now, still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll be able to see the rumble seat. Close up. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wire spoke wheels. Love the looks of those on these cars. Of course, the wide white wall bias ply tire. There's plenty of tread on them, but the technician that looked at this car did note that they will probably need some attention soon. As far as the quality of the paint, it's kind of what you see on these older Model A's. Yes, there's imperfections, there's nicks, there's a bump, there maybe is a bruise. But like I usually say, if you watched our videos before, kind of adds to the character of the car. You know, kind of this army green, I guess, if you will, olive green and black two-tone. Kind of a little darker green going down the midsection of the body. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Vinyl rumble seat. Of course, the steps for getting in to the rumble seat. Rear mounted spare tire, and I left the spare tire cover off of it. Speaking of car covers, there will be a car cover that goes with it. I think there's an air pump and a crank maybe for up front. I just wanted to show you the condition of the spare tire, so I left that spare tire cover off. We can put that back on before it gets shipped out to the new owner. Still a 6-volt system. There was no float in the gas gauge, tech noted, so probably want to check that manually. A little bit of an exhaust leak, you can notice when we started up. And again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Model A's, whether it's a street rod or just an original, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maybe you like old cars, sports cars, muscle cars, any cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right up our showroom floor. And for those of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you. Hope you enjoy the videos. Over 100,000 subscribers, which astounds us. Glad you're watching. Glad you're subscribed. You can see kind of that mohair, I guess, if you will. It's what you could expect the interior of Model A to look like, isn't it? Of course, you'll have the vinyl on the back, a little more water resistant, I guess, if you will, if you got a little rain or sprinkle, what have you. Underneath the passenger side of the dash, there will be a gas valve turn on, turn off. Right there is off. We're going to go down, is on. We have a choke here. I don't think we're going to need it. Push start down below. Forgot the most important part. AJ, turn on the key. All right, and we'll need a little choke. There we go. Of course, you have your throttle on this side, timing on the other. We're sitting pretty good right there. We can take that throttle down a tad. It'll be fine. Make sure we're in neutral. Getting 3-speed. Shifter on the floor. Did mention a little bit of an exhaust leak, and you can hear it now. Want to make the next owner aware of that. We'll price this one accordingly. It's a smooth runner though. Wow. Let me slip up to the front. I want to open up one of these hood panels. Let you check out the engine compartment. Give me a second, get one of those open. Here you go. And you'll be able to see the engine compartment in the still pictures from both sides. So I just want to show you it running. See the old L-head 201. And again, 6-volt system. Well, that baby runs smooth, no doubt about that. 1931 Ford Model A 5-window coupe. Rumble seat car, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1931 Ford Model A. Looking good in green. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these drive videos for you. This is a 3-speed manual right here with a stick on the floor. It's easy to drive. Clutch feels good. Really nice looking with the black and the green, and the interior's nice as well. Fabric bench seat, of course. Our speedometer does move. You know, they bounce a little bit, but it gives you a rough estimate of your speed. It is functioning. The amp gauge is functioning as well. We'll go down to second gear for the traffic circle. Brakes are working well. The electric wiper right here, you just flip it on, it works. Goes back and forth this far, just enough. Period correct for an add-on aftermarket wiper. This car has a dome light overhead, which I believe is an option you don't always see. And that works. I just flipped the switch and you can see the warm glow of the dome light. Nice running car. You get a little bit of shaking from these tires, but they do get some flat spots from sitting. Very simple cars. If they work, they work, and this one works. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.